Okay, I am back again to give you some knowledge. Have knowledge, have money. Accounting is the basis of business. You hear me talk about it all the time. Count your own bag, know where your money's going. Make sure, especially if you're small business, right, to understand the accounting, your books, all of that. So what I want to talk about, because I've been talking about automation a lot, and I've been talking about all of these things in terms of saving yourself time, energy, and money, detecting fraud, and knowing that accounting is the language of business, right? So when we talk about paying bills, it can be so simple, right? Of course, I'm utilizing QuickBooks. I had talked to somebody just the other day, and I'm like, they should be paying me some kind of sponsor fee, or sponsor what incentive, right? Because I promote their business. And maybe one day they will. But nevertheless, for now, I want people to know, how to count their own bag effectively, to save themselves time, energy, and money. So paying bills, what's that? Accounts payable, right? So I utilize QuickBooks. It is the most easy, simple, free. Did I say free? Simple and free thing for you to do, right? Is to use this bill pay system. You don't have to, but I'm just giving you the knowledge that is there and that is free, okay? So what does that mean? That means that I'm going to share my screen and show you what that looks like. But essentially, you put the bill in the system. It's then an accounts payable, but you pay the bill for free with this button that I'm about to show you. So let me just share my screen real quick. Again, nobody's writing checks. A check, add a bill. This is what we're going to do instead. We ain't writing checks. We're going to add a bill. And then we're going to say the vendor is, 300 degrees. Or let's do a 7-Eleven. Let's do 7-Eleven. No, we don't want to pre-fill this. So just say that 7-Eleven sent me a bill. I don't know. They would probably send me a bill maybe for advertising. Their bill number was 10. 110. Okay. Their invoice number, that's what that means. And just say they're sending me a bill for advertising inside of their store or something like that. For ad at their store. The amount is going to be $1,500. Now I'm just going to bypass the client stuff and all that client stuff and whatever, but I would attach the invoice because that's just the proper way to do it. If you want to add more information, put the memo information there. But this is just for the purposes of showing you how to pay a bill for free. So you should have the option to save and schedule a payment. This is a free service, or you can save and close it, or save and then create a new bill. We want to, if I say, we want to save and schedule a payment. It's just going to go straight to their bill pay system, okay? And this is how you pay a free bill online. They will not charge you. I have some bank accounts set up, and then you can set up a credit card. But essentially for me, I'm using my checking account or my business account, which is also known as my QuickBooks account. I want to pay or use my QuickBooks account. I ain't got no money in there right now. So $314, it wouldn't work, because it would say you need to add more money to your QuickBooks account. So they have rainy day funds in QuickBooks account. And then they also have just like a general, checking account. So the rainy day funds gives you 1.75%. So then I might just keep my money in the rainy day fund. And so I would have to transfer in order to pay this $1,500 bill. But let's just say we want to pay $150. That's how you change the amount. That was a nugget, right? Because everybody doesn't understand the system. So, or I could use a bank account, but let's just say, like I said, I don't know what these bank accounts are. Actually, I know what this one is. Actually, that one is no longer, no, that one's good. And then the credit card. Now, you can use your credit card to pay it too. That is going to charge you 2.9%. So I'm not using credit cards. I'm using bank accounts, ACH, and routing numbers. Okay. That's how you pay a bill online for free. It's called QuickBooks Bill Pay. Go to my website, JRambus.com. Make sure that you signed up for my mailing list so you can be informed on more videos, more content, free videos, free content, plus any courses, or when, get my courses going that you can be informed of those. And I will see you there. Have knowledge, have money.